Installing Z-Flex accessories on a KC50 kiosk computer. In this video, you will learn how to install Z-Flex accessories on a KC50. Determine the position of the accessories. The accessories can be mounted to the top, sides, or bottom of the KC50. In this case, we are using the top port for the light accessory and the lower port for the scanner accessory. Insert the MC18 removal tool in the cover slot and open the tamper-resistant port. Align the USB-C connector with the port and firmly press the connector into place. Secure the Z-Flex accessory with the 2 captive screws. Use the same process to install the scanner accessory in the other port. You have installed the Z-Flex accessories onto the KC50 kiosk computer. Use the Zebra API with your application to test the indicator light and scanner. You can use the Zebra API with your application to test the scanner's functionality.